Adventurers! We're here today at Carver Park, snowshoeing again. It's a beautiful day here in Minnesota. Come on, let's go for a walk. We've come to our first overlook here, called Chickadee Landing. By the name, I can only assume that a lot of chickadees swarm here. Maybe in the summertime, not so much right now. I don't know if I mentioned it, but it's about 33 degrees outside. It's actually pretty gorgeous for a January winter day. Alright, these benches here have some figures of Shaggy. We got a whole bunch of people. We got Vikings players. We got an alien over there. This one's got a cool quote on it. When one tugs at a single thing in nature, he finds it is attached to the rest of the world. John Muir. Beautiful. There's Charlie Brown and a couple other characters over there. Doesn't look like there's been a lot of sitting in these benches lately. Alright, let's continue. Ladies and gentlemen, lookout number 2. This will be Sunny Lake. Alright everybody, so I've been snowshoeing for about a mile now. I also went off trail and kind of played around in the snow for a little while. And I realized that the snowshoes are a lot more comfortable when I'm walking in deep, soft snow. When I'm walking on the trail, they kind of hurt my feet. I don't really feel like they're necessary. And yeah, so what I did is I went out and I bought a pair of these Kahlua micro spikes. And I'm going to try those out today. I put them on at home, but I haven't tried them out yet. So I'm going to put them on, try them out, see how that goes on the trail. That'll be a little easier to walk on the packed down trail. So. There's a nice little bench right here. It's a beautiful view. I think I'm going to sit down and take a break. Alright folks, so we're sitting here checking out this beautiful view. And I brought my stove so we can make some hot chocolate. So got some water going right now, or some snow. Alright, a little hot chocolate. So, Carver Park Reserve is where we're at. I think I might have done a video from here before, but in a different part of the park. It's actually kind of a fairly large park. It's a very nice place, but it's I guess it's very urban. Like there's a lot of paved trails, a lot of biking trails. There's a lot of people here. You know, I'm actually surprised I've only seen one person other than myself today. It's kind of nice. We're probably gone about 3 miles, I think. Not really keeping track. But I will say that the snowshoeing is much harder. It takes a lot more energy. This is kind of a cool place. Looks like they left a designated little place for kids to play. Build forts. Look at this one over here. Wow. That's pretty nice. I don't think I can fit in this doorway though. But that's a pretty nice little fort there. That's pretty awesome. I didn't know nature areas or parks would do something like this. Pretty cool. There's another little teepee over here. I can probably fit in this one. Oh yeah. I don't know about with my backpack on though. Woo! Woohoo! In the teepee. Needs a little work, but it's definitely nice. Alright. Let's go check out. This little nature center is right here. Alright guys. We are back at the car, as you can see. I had to let it warm up a little bit. I was having a little problem with the GoPro battery because it's cold out, but yeah, it was a great hike. The snowshoes are super tiring, a lot of work. That'll keep me fit for the summer season, right? Those micro spikes that I used, those things were pretty cool. At least when you're on a trail. A couple times I like went to look for or like go take a picture and just stepped off the trail a little bit and then my foot just sank down. But if you're on a packed trail, you know, of snow and ice, then they're awesome. They were a little weird too when I got back to the parking lot, like on the paved trail here. I felt a little weird, so I had to take them off. But it was a great hike, beautiful day. It was pretty warm for a January day. A little overcast, but yeah, great hike here at Carver Park. Thanks for coming along. Join me next time.